Hello, and today we are going to discuss the solution of the piece value assignment for puzzle 1. All the puzzles can be downloaded for free at the website. Now, in this puzzle, Red makes the following move. Red uses cannon to trade with the horse. Black responds by capturing the cannon with the rook. Now the question is this a profitable move for Red? The answer is no. Firstly, Red cannon has a value of 4.5, whereas the horse has a value of only 4. So trading the cannon with the horse in the opening position is a losing trade. So on the perspective of piece value alone, Red should not be making this move. Now there is another factor that we can take into consideration. By capturing the horse with the cannon, that allows the black rook to capture the cannon, resulting in black developing its rooks first. Now Red may follow up with a horse 2 to this position, and then black in the next move can probably move the cannon to such a position, and that will leave black with a developed rook, and therefore this is never a winning trade for Red. Thank you.